This is the first coat of the resin. I'm showing you how to riz, putting the light on there for it can get hard. Now I'm showing you how it looks. Now I'm putting it back under the resin thing. Now I'm putting more resin on there because I wanted to seal it and put more of the gold stuff on it. And you see I'm getting it in there real nicely good, yeah, that's the way it's supposed to be. Keep going on and on and on with it till it's, looks right, whatever. Keep going and going. Now I'm putting it back on the resin thing to get hard. Taking it off, letting you look at it. That's my final results. That's what it's going to be.